Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh said that incidents of violence in the state have reduced, noting that out of the 14 months during which incidents were recorded, the actual crisis occurred only in 6 to 7 months, further hinting that an optimistic solution will be achieved within 2 to 3 months. Asserting that violence is everywhere, the Manipur Chief Minister told reporters that despite such incidents being enforced in other places, schools and business establishments across the state have opened, further indicating that normalcy has returned in Manipur. Violence is everywhere and it has reduced, particularly in Manipur. It is going through the last 14 months. However, I calculated that the actual crisis occurred in only 6 to 7 months. This indicated that other 7 months were peaceful as schools and business establishments were opening. Furthermore, the Manipur Chief Minister states the violence continues to prevail in some pockets of the state owing to lack of security personnel. He informed that the security personnel who had left for election duty have now returned, following which the state government has deployed them once again in vulnerable areas. Now the situation will be better, Chief Minister Biren Singh added.
You see, violence is everywhere, and particularly in Manipur also, it has reduced like anything. You are right, it has going through the last 14 months, but even though thus the actual crisis, violence taken place half of the months, means out of 14 months, the violence was, I calculated yesterday itself, it is only 6-7 months. Means another 7-8 months were very peaceful. Schools are opening, business establishments are opening. Everything is opening in the state of Manipur. But in some pocket, due to the prevailing violence, discipline is there, no doubt. But slowly, due to the lack of security personnel, there was some small incident in the part of GD and some part of the state. But now, those forces which were left for the election duty has come back, and we have deployed in the vulnerable areas, and now I think situation will be come down.